Today, I'm going to show you how to create this type of comparison video using AI with the Auto app Stickman Comparison Video Generator. Open the app and let's get started. The first step is to enter your comparison topic. For this example, I'll use Lion versus Liger, how are they born? Next, upload a presenter image. Just choose any portrait or character photo you'd like to use as the host of your video. The AI will automatically transform that image into a Stickman character while keeping the overall personality and appearance of your original photo. After that, you can either upload your own images or simply describe what you'd like to appear during the comparison. This is one of the coolest features of the app because it lets you generate custom visual objects that perfectly match your idea. Once you've entered all the information, click Start Analysis. The AI will analyze your topic, organize the content, generate the script, and prepare all the visuals and narration automatically. Just wait a few moments while everything is processed. When it's finished, click Generate Original Poster. This poster serves as the foundation for your video, allowing you to preview the Stickman character, the comparison objects, and the overall visual style before creating the animation. Once the poster is ready, click Generate 3 videos. The system will automatically produce 3 complete versions of your video. Each version already includes AI-generated narration, so you don't have to record your own voice or edit audio manually. The app handles almost everything for you, including the script, visuals, Stickman animation, motion, and voiceover. All you need to do is review the 3 versions, choose your favorite one, and move on to the final editing step. For editing, simply import the video into CapCut or any video editor you prefer. You can trim unnecessary parts, add subtitles, background music, transitions, logos, or adjust the playback speed to match your style. With the Auto app Stickman Comparison Video Generator, you can create fun, engaging, and highly shareable comparison videos without drawing stick figures, animating scenes, or writing complicated prompts yourself. Visit promptauto.io today and start creating your own AI-powered Stickman comparison videos.